Hi Marini,
Hi.
how are you?
So how can I pronounce your name?
You can call me Koshal.
Kosha. Okay.
Yeah,
Nice to meet you, Kosha.
yeah, nice to meet you. So it's your real name, Marini?
It's my English name and my real name is Chinese name. I think like it's a little bit hard for you to pronounce.
Oh, yes, you're right.
Yeah.
So could you introduce yourself? Then we will start our conversation.
Okay.
Yes.
My name is Marnie and I'm 22 years old. I just graduated from the college and I do not have the job right now. But before I was a live streamer on TikTok platform to sell the pre-love luxury bags. And so it's a really brief introduction for me.
Okay, so you were a live streamer before.
Yes.
Okay, so I wanna know a little bit more about live streaming. So can you tell me? Because I just
Uh,
heard what is live streaming, I don't know.
Okay, so we will uh, do the live on TikTok, and then there's a yellow card down below the screen, and then you can track the yellow shopping cart to track our products here because our company is selling the pre-loved luxury bags, and then that's why you can check the yellow shopping cart to see over there are so many brands of the bag like the Prada like the Chanel, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, so many luxury bags brand here, and then you can pick up one bag you like, and then you click that button that you're interested in it, and then our uh, live streamer will introduce that bag for you, and then if you want to buy it, you can pay on the TikTok through so many methods like uh Alipay, there's no Alipay. It's a PayPal and a credit card, something like that. And then that's how it works as a live streamer.
Okay, so it means like you are promoting some product in live streaming
Mm-hmm.
and people
Mm-hmm.
buy there and pay. It's right.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, now I got it. But I think I heard before it's different types of live streaming. But,
Okay.
but I am not
I
sure it's
I know,
real.
I know. There are so many types of the live streamer on the TikTok. Me, it's a seller,
Okay,
but there are different kinds, like singing a song on the live or dancing on the live. There are different types of the live streamer.
okay, I see. But
Mm-hmm.
other app also like provide this feature. Am I right? Instead,
Pardon?
like other app also provide this feature live streaming.
Yes, yes. I think the Facebook or the YouTube can also do live, I think.
Yes, you are right.
Okay.
But I think there is a different kind of live streaming. As you mentioned in TikTok, it's different. I noticed.
Mm-hmm. It's a kind of different, a little bit.
Yes, you are right.
Okay. So, what's your job?
Okay, so actually I did before sales work, but nowadays I don't have any work. I'm
Oh, just
making
like
jazz.
me.
Yes,
Okay.
and I'm making videos. It's my hobby.
Oh, that's your hobby.
Yes.
Okay. So, except making videos, what kind of things that you will do in your spare time?
Well, I have free time.
Mm-hmm.
So, like, I love sports. Like, I
Oh, sports.
play cricket.
Okay.
But nowadays, not sometime when I was kid. So that time I played a
Okay.
lot. But nowadays, sometime.
Oh,
Yeah, because
okay, I get it.
yes. And how about
Okay.
you? Do you like sports?
When I was a junior high school student, I like to playing basketball. But when I get to the college or the university, I don't like playing basketball, but I like reading some books and also singing song. I really love to go to the KTV actually.
What is KTV?
KTV it's a room in China provided for you to sing the songs there. It's a room, okay, and
Okay.
then there is a mic and scream and you know provided for you to sing songs there.
Oh, it's a show name. Now I got it.
Yeah, it's not a shop name. It's
No, no,
a
it's a show. I said show.
oh short name. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
it's a short name. Yes, yes, it is.
Okay, great. So you mentioned you are a singer. So can you sing little bit?
Uh, sing song maybe a little bit like the. Do you know the Taylor Swift?
Yes, listen some song.
Yeah, the love story. It's really famous, right?
I yes, yes.
Have you ever listened that song?
Like I not really, but sometime actually someone suggest me, so I listen.
Okay, love
Yeah,
story.
yeah. So
Le- just a little bit.
yeah, you can try.
Let me think about it. Like the first sentence,
Mm-hmm.
it's a. Let me think about it. I don't remember it. We were both young when I first saw you. I closed my eyes and the flashbacks down and standing there on the balcony somewhere. See the lights, see the bargain to see you. Some kind of like that. I don't remember the length.
Okay, 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 that's
The
fine.
words.
I like it.
Thank you.
I didn't get exactly. You know why? Because I listen the song sometime, so I didn't notice like carefully
Okay.
before also, and now
Okay.
I'll also. But
Okay.
next time you can sing a song like
Maybe next time. Okay.
yeah.
Okay.